Hello everyone and welcome to my Autodesk Revit tutorial. In today's Autodesk Revit tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a diagonal dimension like this. So I've already dimensioned the rebar for this staircase diagonally over here. So I'll delete this one over here so that I can demonstrate how to do it in front of you. So proceed to the Annotate tab and click on the Align tool over here. And zoom in to this rebar. And hover over it and press Tab several times until you see this dot over here in the middle, and do the same thing over here like so, and drag it out. And here is our diagonal dimension over here. And that's it for today's short Autodesk Revit tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like this tutorial and share this tutorial, and subscribe for more Autodesk Revit tutorials like this. And as always, stay safe, keep learning, and goodbye.